This is the practice test for charts and graphs, and here we are looking at problems number 4 and 5. And these questions are going to be based on this chart here, and it is a chart of the price of regular gasoline in the United States from 1990 to 2014. And we take a minute to look at the chart. We see that on the vertical axis over here, we have the US dollars per gallon, $1, 1.5, which would be $1.50, $2, $2.50, and so on. And then down on the bottom, the horizontal axis, we have the year, and we start here at 1990 and go all the way to 2014. So we will look at the two questions and answer them from the chart. Question number 4 says, between the years 1990 and 2014, which year was regular gasoline the most expensive? So in all of these years, what is the highest point where gasoline is the most expensive? And we find that to be right here. And we look down, and this is the year 2012. So that's our answer, letter D. And then we can go to problem number 5, which says approximately what was the increase in the price of regular gasoline from 2000 to 2011. So we have the year 2000 here and the year 2011 over here. Now, what I've done below here is try to record what the price of each year was. In 2011, I put down $3.55. If we look at the chart, 2011, and we come up to this point here, it looks like it's just a little bit above $3.50. It's hard to be exact, and so I just put $3.55. And then for the year 2000, we see that the price is pretty much on that line of $1.50, which is what I put down here. And to find the increase, what was the increase in the price of regular gasoline? We're going to subtract the year 2000 from the year 2011. We're going to subtract $1.50 from $3.55, and we get $2.05 is the increase. And the closest answer is letter A, which is what we'll pick, $2.03. It's hard to be exact with a chart like this.